Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy protein powder, easy method. Read the nutrition label first, focusing on grams of protein per serving and ingredient order. Choose powders with minimal additives and clear protein sources. Calculate price per serving to compare options fairly. Consider flavor, mixability, and third-party testing for purity. Keep your goals in mind to select whey, plant, or blended proteins that fit your routine. In this video, I will explain how to buy protein powder, easy method. Start by reading the ingredients list, spotting the primary protein source and any fillers. Check for added sugars or sugar alcohols and avoid high amounts if watching calories. Look for certifications or third-party testing seals that indicate purity and accurate protein content. Finally, compare serving sizes and mixing instructions to ensure the powder fits your lifestyle and taste preferences. In this video, I will review how to buy protein powder, easy method. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers are great for shaking protein on the go and preventing spills in gym bags, plus they double as meal prep gear. If you enjoyed these tips, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with how to buy protein powder, easy method. Work out the cost per serving by dividing package price by servings to avoid misleading deals. Pick a flavor you actually like to prevent unfinished tubs and test sample sizes when possible. Match the protein type to your purpose: whey for fast absorption, plant blends for vegan needs, or higher calorie mixes for meal replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.